Hey, we've got happy mail from you guys. So let us get started on opening this up. I guess I should have my glasses on so I can tell you who it is from. This one is from Dinky Crafts Jen. I'm kind of excited to open it. Get it there. Let's check this out. Love the way she sealed the box up. She's put a happy mail. Super cute. Super cute. Y'all seal these boxes pretty good, I'm just saying. Y'all are really good at this. There we go. Let me set that down. And we'll get this tape undone. There we go. And let us take a look. I don't know if I open it upside right or upside down. I have no idea. Oh, there we go. I see it. She says, I hope you're well. There's a square just for you. There is a square just for Froggy. So, let's check this out. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at this. She made a jag for Jen. Love that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Look at this, J-E-N-N. You know I love this, right? I love that. You are amazing. And I got my square. I love that. That's my first square. That's awesome. Jen, thank you so much. Oh, that's my hand. Thank you. I love that. You made my name. Oh, our name. What am I talking about? My name. It's our name. I don't see a label. I don't know. We shall find out. Where in the... What is... This came from Amazon to my post office. I have no idea. And I don't know how long ago. Because I have to wait for hubby to go check the post office. And I'm sorry if it takes too long for some people. But we shall see what is in here. Ah! Beware of frogs. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that. Not responsible for injury or death. You have been warned. Oh my gosh. There's a box in here. Oh, there's no note. There is no note. I don't know what this is. I have no idea. What's this? What is this? There's no note. I would love to know who sent this. Oh my gosh. I love that beware of frogs. If you are the one that sent this, you got to tell me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is very me. You guys are going to love this. This is so cute. This is very froggy. Oh, you could see it actually. It says, beware of the crazy frog lady. Yeah, there we go. Beware of crazy frog lady. That's adorable. I love that. Thank you. Thank you immensely. Thank you so much. This one is also from Amazon. I don't know who it is. So we shall see. You guys never have to do this. That's crazy. What is it? There's note in this one. I got a note in this one. Oh, I got more than a note. This is from Coco. Oh, Coco. Coco, you're amazing. Thank you so much, Kokomo. This is from my Kokomo. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I got to show you guys this. You're going to love this. I have a feeling this is all from Coco. I don't know why she didn't send it to my house. Hard-headed. She could have sent it to my house. It's a frog, and it says, a little frog from me to you, just to say I love you. That's what it says. Okay. It's right there. That's what it says. It says, a little frog from me to you, just to say I love you. And I don't think that's going to come in clear. And it has a cute little frog on it. Boy, that is not coming in. Damn, camera. It does not want to come in. That's adorable. I love that. Comes in a little black bag. It does. And there is this pig. There's a blanket in here. I'm hoping you guys can see what that blanket looks like without my face getting in there. Boy, this camera is not wanting to focus today. Bam. All right, come on. It is not focusing. All righty. I'm going to open it anyway. Might as well open it up and check this out. Oh my gosh. It's double wrapped. Double wrapped. Oh my. Double wrapped for your protection. This is amazing. Alrighty. I got that off. Boy, they wrapped that tight, didn't they? Oh, wow. It's huge. It's so cool. I just freaking love frogs. There it is. There it is. That is amazing. I love that. There it is. There it is. That's awesome. I love this. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jennifer and Coco. I really appreciate it. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I love you all. Have a great day. Bye.